Welcome to another Dash GIS video. Dash is flexible, fast, and focused to solve your problems. Today we're going to talk about maintenance management again. In this case, the light version of the maintenance management system called the Maintenance Activity Reporter. And remember, both the full version and the light version come with the real-time dashboard. Here is the map. We can select a pipe here, and the information about that pipe automatically pops up. It says there's no maintenance records on there, but we could edit information about it as far as the physical characteristics. But in this case, we're going to add a maintenance activity. We're going to put in a date by selecting the calendar. From a drop list box, pick what type of activity we did. Was it preventative or not? Who was involved? And then we can put in how many hours. Cost tables that are associated with this will then in reports show up as to how much that activity cost. So we can put notes in there and save them. So Dash GIS, $4.95 a month, no matter what extensions you have.